This is how we in 1950s of the 20th century started the lessons. In an old primary school in Radovica, we renovated a school class to make it look about the same as the classes in the 50s. To visitors, you can be one too, will during the lesson find out about the heritage and Bela Krajina in a fun and relaxed way. All that with help of strict teacher who is all for discipline and order, and also kneeling on the corn is not completely impossible. Considering there is 5th anniversary of Brihtna glava primary school, we have also upgraded our programs and introduced them to tourist guides, association, the vineyards owners, and everyone else dealing with tourism. At the classic lesson, the older ones get to know Bela Krajina's heritage, while pupils from 1st to 4th grade discover Bela Krajina by singing children's songs and solving Oton Župančić's riddles. You can check out www.andrejbajuk.com for all the new programs on literature, nature science and handcrafts, and they will also be singing during the lesson. At the end of the lesson, all students get certificates as proof to having achieved the basic knowledge on the region between Gorjanci and the river Kolpa. If you too want to discover and rediscover all that, come to the lesson in the classroom from the good old days. The Wise Head Primary is open in Radovica near Metlika all days of the week. More details on www.andrejbajuk.com.